Okay, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of KJ the Investor. It's yours truly, KJ. And without further ado, let's hop into the portfolio. All right, guys, it's another day of trading over and done with. And I must say, y'all, 2025 has started out pretty nice in the stock market. Right now, my portfolio is sitting at $61,337.02. We was up on the closing of today. It was actually way higher than this. This $27.60 is just what it is in the aftermarkets, but we've been up. Let me click on the live view. Choppy in the market, but it's actually was a pretty good day. Right now, the buying power is sitting at $1,012.06. So I've deployed some more money into the market, and I've also got some more buying power. So it'll be time to get what I need to get when it's time to get it. Cash earning interest 512, but that will soon change as long as the buying power is higher. That would change higher as well. Now, look at my crypto holdings on Ethereum. Ethereum has managed to work its way up to $3,641. I have made $15.68, and I'm $15.68% up in this position of Ethereum. So not much there, but it is a gain, and I'll take it. I still got 101 USDC coin. And guys, y'all let me know what you think. Should I just get rid of the USDC coin? I was holding it to have some type of exposure to crypto, but now I got Bitcoin and I got some Ethereum. I got Avalanche as well. So should I get rid of the USDC? Y'all, and free up my $101? Y'all let me know in the comments below. All right, Bitcoin. One of the major stocks or cryptos that affects the entire stock market is Bitcoin. Right now, it's trading at $98,235.15. So we are up currently 30 cents in this position, or 0.30%. Not very much, but it's a gain, and we'll take it, to be honest. It's so volatile. This thing is so, up and down. Guys, to be honest, I'm actually thinking about selling my position in Bitcoin while I'm ahead. It's up $250 today. Might go ahead and sell my position while I'm ahead and get my $100 back out of it and free myself up, free my $100 up and do something else with it, to be honest. All right, let's get into the stocks and ETFs. These are the stocks that are absolutely guaranteed to take off and explode even more in 2025. First up, we got Walmart. Walmart's sitting at $90.87. It was up in the market today and up in the after hours. Walmart dividend paying out January 6th, which is right around the corner, $22.42. I have 109.64 shares of Walmart. Market value is $9,963.65. Average cost. I'm working on getting that $10,000 mark in Walmart too, guys. So that's what I'm trying to do. Go ahead and get that $10,000 market value in Walmart. Average cost is $57.51. Today's return, I'm up $95.26. In total return, I'm up $3,658.10, or 58.01%. Guys, Walmart still doing this thing, continuing from last year, big monster returns and big gains. I really am appreciative of that stock, and I'm going to continue to buy and hold long term with Walmart and get my share sizes up because I believe in that company. Next up, we got SPLG. It's my S&P 500. It's sitting at $69.61 on today. At the close of business, it started having a sell-off, it looks like. I have 208.57 shares of SPLG. Market value is $14,518.57. Average cost is $63.59. And today I made $175 in SPLG. And totally, I've made $1,256.02, or a 9.47% increase. Guys, I'm going to tell you the truth. I really am beginning to see the compounding effect of this particular ETF starting to shape up and take place. You know how they say time in the market beats time in the market? Well, being in the market long term with SPLG is helping me to see the gains that this stock is having. So let's continue to watch what SPLG is gonna do. Last year, the market returned over what was it? It was let me see, year to date, 1 year, 26.36 return. 26.36% return increase, right? So almost a 27%. I'm looking for the same thing from this year. I know what everybody's saying. Oh, those S&P guaranteed to do between 7 and 10%, which is fine and good. But if I can get 27% out of it, shoot, why not look for the better, right? So I'm looking for that once again, like it did in 23, it did it in 24. Now we're in 25. Hopefully it can do it again. So we're going to continue buying and holding SPLG. Now, the big boy of the year, FTEC, is my Fidelity Information Technology Index, ETF, sitting at 188.82. Guys, we're going to be buying and holding this one all year long. FTEC, I got 5.34 shares of FTEC. Market value is $1,008.73. Average cost is $156.13. And we have a total return of 174.64 or a 20.94%. Yeah, that's incredible. 20.94% increase. And this is our growth ETF, guys. This is our growth ETF. Last year, it gave us a 37.48% increase, guys. So a good information technology ETF. We're going to continue to buy and hold long term. This is a big boy blue chip ETF, guys. We're going to, like I said, continue to buy and hold for the entirety of the next 9 years that we're planning on doing this stock market thing. So that's just my goals for right now, guys. I got some long term and I got some short term. So you got to make sure you're doing the same for your life. Long term, short term, even the mid goals. You know, set yourself goals, man. That's how you get to wherever in the world you're trying to go. Next up, we got DGRO iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF. Sitting at $61.50. Looks like we have a bit of a sell-off this evening. I have 74.41 shares of DGRO. Market value is $4,576.47. Average cost is $56.78. I had a surplus of today of $28 and total return $351.24 or an 8.31% increase. Guys, I'm going to tell you, DGRO is not bad. It's been doing pretty good, and it's actually returned me over 8%. Remember, anything over 8%, guys, we're getting rich. So, and I've also remember asking you guys, how do you feel about DGRO being in my portfolio? You think I should keep it? You think I should sell it, use that market value to put towards something else? Or do you think I should continue investing in DGRO and maybe they'll have a breakout year where they just kind of skyrocket in increases and stuff over time? What you guys think? That's that iShares Core Dividend Growth ETF. It pays out pretty good dividend and it grows pretty good significant speed. Next stuff I want to look at is NVIDIA. NVIDIA sending $145 today. Guys, let me tell you something. You never know when a stock going to take off. You never know when it's going to do what it's going to do. I have the best days of the market. You just never know. That's why they always say being in the market always beat trying to time the market. And that's what another classic case of this right here, NVIDIA. It closed at $145 today. Woo! I am very appreciative. I have 54.71 shares in NVIDIA right here. Market value is $7,934.34. Average cost, $118.26. Today, we made a $366 gain on the position, which is almost 5%. Total return, we got $1,463.23 or a 22.61% increase, guys. These types of gains erase any type of negative experiences we've had in the market the last couple of days. As a matter of fact, the last week or two, we've come back plus with all the gains that we've been having. This past year, 2024, this thing gave us a 203.56% return. And this time, guys, I'm in it to win it because I'm in it from day one of January, or really January 2nd, because that's when the first day of the market was open. But anyway, we've been in this thing the whole entire year so far, and we're going to continue to hold long term because I'm very optimistic about this company in the market. So we're going to continue to buy and hold. Well, actually, I'm not buying any more NVIDIA. I feel like I'm exposed enough. But I'll share with you why coming up. But yeah, that's a pretty good share size. All right. Next up, we got Serve Robotics. So Serve Robotics closed at $19.02, guys. I got 10 shares still. Market value $190.20. Average cost $8.67. Look at the total return. Total return $103.50. I know you might not say, well, okay, that's only $103. That's nothing to kind of like shake a stick at. No, it's not. But look at my overall total return percentage. 119.37%. Guys, market value. If I would have had $10,000 in this thing and I get a total return of 119%, that's insane. Serve Robotics right now is giving me a higher return than anything else in my portfolio right now. And we can see in the after hours where some people selling off. That $19 is probably going to come down, but they're selling off while it's hot, and they're getting their profits right now. So I think that's pretty smart. I ain't gonna lie, I may just do the same thing and tuck my little $100 away and buy back in when the price of this thing drops down even lower. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, Serve Robotics. What I should have did, I should have bought more shares of this thing back when it was at $8.67. I should have bought 100 shares instead of just 10. But this was started out as a short. This wasn't supposed to be long term or nothing like that. But these type of AI technology companies, man, they have really taken my portfolio to the limits, man. Like past the limits, past what I thought it was gonna do. Next up, we got Meta Platforms. Meta Platforms closed at $604.30. Had some buying within the market today, and then look at the aftermarket. Looked like it had some sell-offs. I got 2.41 shares of Meta. Market value is $1,462.16. Average cost is $505. So it's closed at $604. I bought it in at $505. It's a over $100 difference. Total return right now is $239.74, or a 19.61% return. Guys, tell me what y'all think about Meta being in the portfolio. I think Meta is a great company. It's very strong. Mark Zuckerberg, CEO, he got Facebook, he's got Instagram, he's got WhatsApp, and he has, what's that other thing? Instant Messenger, and he has all kind of stuff like that under his belt with Meta. Last year, Meta gave us a 75% return compared to what it is this year. I think Meta is going to be one of those long-term plays. I'm going to continue to buy and hold. I am actively buying and holding this particular company, part of my Mag 7 investment plan that I got. So, yeah. Also, guys, I heard that this year, 2025, later on, sometime in the year, Meta's supposed to go through some type of stock split. And guess what? We're going to be right there along for the ride in order to get more shares of this company at a decent price. So stay tuned for that. Next up, we got a traditional IRA. We're sitting at $45,023.02. We're up on today $1,507.32. And even in the overnights, we're still up $76.71. This thing was not playing today. Buying power, $8,965.79. I did add another $100 or so to the buying power in this position as well. So we're up right here. Now, one of the stocks I really want to take a look at is going to be this MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy closed at $339.77. It was up all day and had a little sell-off this afternoon. MicroStrategy, I have 10 shares. Market value is $3,397.71. Average cost was $297.14. Total return right now, $426.31, or I'm up 14.35% on the position. Good gracious, amacious. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, MicroStrategy. Y'all, when y'all see that I don't have like 10 shares of this, 10 shares of that, that stock started out as just a short. I'm just here to make a couple of dollars from it and keep it pushing. I'm not here to do nothing long term. But MicroStrategy, I knew was one of those special companies, man, that after I did the research and after I found out about the owner and seeing what his visions was for this company, I kind of held on to MicroStrategy. As a matter of fact, I kind of want to. I have a strategy for the MicroStrategy. I'm gonna use this for the short-term investment play, where I get into a stock, hold it for a little bit when it's at its all-time high, like it is right now, sell it off, get my keep my profit from it, keep my profit, and then when the price of it drops, go ahead and buy back into the the company, and then wait it out, let it go back up, then sell again while it's at the top. That's kind of like what I'm thinking about doing with MicroStrategy and Serve Robotics and these type of smaller companies. But that Nvidia, that's big boy, that's here to stay. And I'm gonna show you why. I told you earlier that I would tell you why later, because of this position right here, Nvidia, $145. Again, remember, I got now in this one I have 150 shares over there, and the other portfolio, guys, I had what was it, 52 shares, 57 shares, something like that. So over here I got 150. Market value is $21,749.97. Guys, I got over $20,000 invested in Nvidia. Average cost of $109.98. Right now, today, I had a return of 4.8%, which is $1,003.47. Guys, I made over $1,000 today. As a matter of fact, close to over $2,000 today. When you add my shorts from Serve Robotics, MicroStrategy, Nvidia, and all the other stocks that I have right now, I'm making good profit. Total return right now, busting through with $5,252.63, a 31.48% return. Guys, 5,252 insane numbers return. There go my vacation right there. But yeah, it's a little. I'm gonna continue to buy and hold. Now, Costco is sitting at $918.05. It's up in the aftermarkets. It's actually time for me to buy more Costco, because I need to lower my average cost. Right now, I got 3 shares of Costco. Average cost is $938.68. Market value $2,754.15. I'm negative $61.89 in this position, which is only about 2% of my portfolio. Oh, 2%, but 7% of my portfolio with this Costco, which I'm not tripping on. I'm gonna probably buy while it's low, like 918, like it is. Try to get that average cost down real quick. AMD is up to $125.60. It's up in the day and up in the after markets. Like I said, today, y'all, stock market just rallying pretty good. I got another 10 shares here. Market value $1,256. Average cost is $120. And total return right now is $52.20, or a 4.34% increase. AMD, second to Nvidia, and looking to increase its market, shares of the market for AI and microchip computing processes and all that. AMD, not a bad company, but it's just not the 900-pound silverback NVIDIA. All right, all together, guys, I got right here $106,359.99. We got another $8,300 in the Fidelity investment account as well. So we are well on our way this year to start out 2025 on the right foot. We ended it the way we did in 2024. And so 25 is starting out looking really, really nice as well, compounding its way on top of what we did in 24, so we can continue building and structuring in 25. Guys, we're on our road to $1 million and early retirement and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that. If you got any kind of questions, comments, concerns, drop it down in the comment box below. I enjoy making these videos for you guys, so make sure you comment and subscribe, man. Share the videos with somebody. You know, shit, tell a friend, tell a friend. Anyway, until next time, I'm KJ the Investor signing off. Peace.